Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a valid VPN subscription and the app installed. Open the VPN app and sign in. You need permissions to add VPN configurations. Tap the app's Quick Setup or Connect button to let iOS add a VPN profile. This is required for system-level routing. Once done, you'll see the prompt to allow adding VPN configurations. Approve it. This ties the app to settings, so the VPN can start and stop cleanly for all apps and browsers. After initial setup, configure the connection. Pick a server location that matches your goal, low latency for streaming or a privacy-friendly country for anonymity. Make protocol choices in the app, wire up WireGuard or IKEv2 for a balance of speed and stability. Turn on features like the kill switch to block traffic if VPN drops, and enable auto-connect on trusted networks. If you want selective routing, set split tunneling so only chosen apps use the VPN. This saves bandwidth and preserves local access. Now connect and verify. Hit connect in the app and make sure the small VPN icon appears in the status bar or control center, confirming system routing. Verify your new IP and DNS using an IP check or the app's diagnostics to ensure no leaks. If connection fails, try simple fixes. Toggle airplane mode to reset radios, reauthorize or remove, and re-add the VPN profile in settings, and finally reinstall the app. If problems persist, contact the provider with logs for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.